Hey guys, we got our steakhouse salad right here. Shrimp, tomato, bacon, red onion, string bean, basil. Oh my God, you ready, Parks? Let me dish you out some, okay?
Yeah, please.
This is like, since I was a little kid, we would always go to a steakhouse, my family, like once a week. And, you know, I love steak. I'm like a total meat and potatoes girl. And this was always the salad I would get as my appetizer. Here you go, sweetie.
Really?
Yeah, I just loved it because I love shrimp. And whenever, you know, I would like, order, I always want to, excuse me, I always want to order shrimp cocktail. My mom would be like, you know, because my brother and I always wanted shrimp cocktail. And when my mom was growing up, her dad wouldn't let her and her brothers and sisters order shrimp cocktail. So it was like a hand-me-down. But this, at least I got like some shrimp, right? And then I would have my steak and baked potato and whatever else. Okay, you ready to try it?
Yeah, I am. I'm excited. I want the shrimp.
Have you ever had a salad like this?
I don't think so.
Made it.
I like the bacon and the shrimp. That's really a nice combination.
And you love shrimp cocktail also.
This is really refreshing. Summer.
I like it winter, spring, summer, or fall. But it's a really good summer salad. Especially when it's ice cold. So good. Is this a keeper?
Oh yeah.
I've made it for you multiple times.
You have? Do I always
Thanks
like
for
it?
remembering.
Do I always love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that the beans are a little crispy almost, crunchy,
And
fresh.
if you didn't watch the recipe, you know, on Facebook or Instagram, the thing that I do differently than most steakhouses, because they almost always look the same no matter what steakhouse you go to, whether it's like Ruth Chris or, oh my God, I'm going blank on whatever steakhouses, but I cut everything super small because I hate when string beans are big and you can't like get them in your mouth and you have to use a knife, and I don't want to cut my salad at dinner. It's like I want my salad to be like kind of chopped, you know, like a chopped salad, and I love eating a salad like this with a spoon where I can get everything in. I don't have to be stabbing and trying to get the string beans on. Is that
Good point.
right?
I'm gonna stab each little piece.
So you get like a little party in your mouth in every spoonful.
It's a party in your mouth.
Yeah.
Every spoonful.
Every spoonful, especially every spoonful that has bacon. If you don't eat bacon or pork, leave it out, guys, or put in turkey bacon. You know?
This is a winner.
It is?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna say this is fairly straightforward for people to make.
Oh, it's so easy. Weren't you paying attention?
Yeah, I was shooting, watching the framing and trying not to goof up.
My DP, he can't focus on the food. He's too focused on the where he's shooting.
Well, I was trying things. I was trying to zoom today. We used 2 cameras today.
That's true.
We
We
had a bunch
did.
of things going on. We've never done it that way before, so anyway. But now I get to see it and taste it. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Well done.
Okay. Well, cheers to you guys. Cheers to
Cheers.
you, Parks.
Cheers to you, chef.
Thank you, Sous Chef DP. 2 in 1. 3 in 1. And my husband. Oh, and my best friend.
Oh,
Oh,
you were mine.
thank you. Cheers.
Thank you, sweetie.
Cheers to you guys.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks for
This is
tuning
a good
in.
one. You'll like this one
Yeah,
for sure.
they're all good.
They're all.
Okay. Bye.